A gymnast with an angular velocity of 3.4 radians per second and a moment of inertia of 23.5 kilogram meters squared tucks their body so that their new moment of inertia is 12.3. Well, they're going to spin faster, aren't they, right? So this is I1 omega 1 equals I2 omega 2, right? Okay, so let's see. So 23.5 kilogram meters squared, and then they are spinning at 3.4 radians per second, and then our new moment of inertia after she tucks is 12.3, right? And then omega 2 is what we're solving for. So this times this divided by this times 3.4 divided by 3, and that is 6.4959. Radians per second, and that's our omega 2, or about 6.5, right?